Hello friends and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete tabs in Safari app on iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes under it and write your comments at the end of the video. So let's get into this topic and open up the Safari application. Next, folks, in order to go to the tabs section, you're going to have to click on the bottom right-hand side of this two-square sign. This will take you to the menu of all the tabs that you have active and open. In order to delete any of them, you just have to click on this cross above it at the top. And as you can see, instantly the tab will be closed. And also, friends, you can leave only one tab and close all the others literally in one action. To do that, you'll have to click on whatever tab you'd like to keep and then select Close All Other Tabs. And as you can see, this way you have only one tab left and you can very quickly clear all the tabs in Safari. Friends, this is the very simple way you can delete tabs in your Safari on your iPhone. I hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.